Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Shield. In this review of the Trezor Model T, I'll give you a quick overview of what it is and share my thoughts after using it for a few years. To keep it simple, I'll list the pros and cons to help you decide if this hardware wallet is right for you. Let's start with the pros. When you dive into crypto and start investing, keeping your coins safe becomes a top priority, right? Well, the Trezor Model T makes that entirely possible. As of the time I'm making this video, it supports over 1300 different tokens, making it one of the most versatile hardware wallets out there. If you are wondering if your favorite coins are supported, it's easy to check. Just go to the official website, click on the coin, scroll down and look for check supported coins and tokens. From there, you can type in the names of your coin. Now let's talk about the second advantage of the Model T. In addition to supporting a wide range of coins, the Trezor Model T boasts top-notch security. Security is paramount when it comes to a crypto hardware wallet. It's the main reason for investing in one like the Trezor. I've reviewed the cheaper Trezor one before, and both devices from Trezor offer some of the best security features on the market for hardware wallets. Trezor has earned its reputation as one of the safest crypto storage devices globally. With the Trezor Model T, your private keys and seed phrase are stored separately from the physical device, keeping them offline and significantly reducing the risk of compromise. Setting up the device is straightforward. Simply follow the easy step instructions to obtain your secret phrase and private key. Remember to write them down on paper and keep them secure. During setup, you'll also create a PIN code for your device, which is necessary for all transactions and changes to wallet settings. Additionally, the Trezor Model T offers an extra layer of security with the passcode. Even if your device is lost or stolen and your PIN is compromised, access to your account and crypto holdings requires the additional passcode you set up. What sets the Trezor Model T apart from the Trezor One are two additional features. Firstly, U2F Universal Second Factor allows you to use your Model T as a hardware security token for validating logins on services like Dropbox and Google. Secondly, FIDO2 authentication enables you to use your Trezor as an authenticator for approved websites and services without needing to enter your password. Now let's discuss some of the drawbacks of the Trezor Model T that I've noticed during my time using it. Firstly, the design is a bit bulkier compared to the Model 1 and other devices on the market. However, despite its size, the Trezor Model T still easy fits into your pocket or any other storage space you prefer. Some people have voiced complaints online about the unique design of the Model T, stating a preference for the appearance of other hardware wallets. Personally, I don't find this to be a significant issue because I find the touchscreen easy to use. Another downside is the pricing of the Model T. It's a bit more expensive compared to the Model 1. However, in my opinion, the price of the Trezor Model T is justified by its exceptional quality, especially when you consider the top-tier security it provides. This should be seen as one-time investment to safeguard your crypto asset with a high-quality security device essentially forever. If you're looking for a device with most of the features offered by the Trezor Model T but at a lower price point, the Trezor Model 1 might be a suitable alternative for you. I'll include a link to my review of the Trezor Model 1 in the description below if you would like to check it out first. And if you are ready to purchase a device, be sure to use my discount link provided in the description. It's an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you make a purchase through it, but it also gives you a nice discount on your device, so it's a win-win. That wraps up the video. If you found it helpful, please consider hitting the like button, subscribing and sharing it with a friend who might need a hardware wallet. And don't forget to leave a comment letting me know if you already own a Model T or Model 1 and what your thoughts are on the device. I'd love to hear your opinions and reviews too. Thanks for watching my review of the Trezor Model T, and I'll see you in the next video.